Hello friends, today the video is on Larson and Turbo Infotech that we known as LTI. Okay, the short form is basically LTI. Before starting the video, let me tell you that if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Now let us start the video. Now coming to LTI, basically it is India's one of the leading company in technology services, or you could say information technology services. Now its market capitalization is of 81,365 crore rupees. Basically you could say it's a large cap company. Okay, it is in the category of basically large cap. Now coming to its market current price, it is of 4,642 rupees. High and low, it is made a low of rupees 3,733 rupees and high of 7,595 rupees. A stock P by E multiples, that is profit by earnings multiple, it is trading 31.8 times. Book value, it is trading at 524 rupees. Dividend yield, it gives 0.97% of dividend yield. Return on capital employed, it is of 35.7%. Return on equity, it is of 28.5%. Face value of the share is rupees 1. Now if you go through this company, what we are finding that in terms of a stock P by E, it's an average price, not neither too high nor too low. It's okay. Now we coming to the book value. Book value is a little bit costlier over here because it is trading nearby of 9 times of the book value. Current price is basically trading 9 times of the book value, so it is costlier. Dividend yield is okay, it's giving nearby 0.97%. Return on capital employed is very good, it is of 35.7. Return on equity is also very good, it is 28.5%. Now before considering anything, we require to go with how the company has performed in the previous month as well as in the previous years. Now in one day it is given return of 0.37%. So one day it is given minus 0.37%. In 5 days it is given return of minus 1.86% negative. In 1 month it is given return of 6.83% positive. 6 months it is given return of minus 20.81% negative. Year till date it is given return of negative minus 38.25%. In 1 year it is given a return of negative minus 21.24%. In 5 years, when you click on the 5 years, see how good it has given the return. So in 5 years, on 27th of October 2017, its price was rupees 808.65 paise. So it added on that 3,842 rupees and it became 4,651 rupees and 50 paise, which is nearby 475.22% zoom in the growth. Okay, so if anyone has invested just for 5 years, so his money has become nearby of 5 times. I'm saying in just 5 years 5 times your money has multiplied. I'm saying it's multiplied. Got the point? Now when we click on the maximum, okay, so its price on 22nd of July 2016, its price is rupees 700. Okay, and from there it added 3,951 rupees, which is 564.50 percentage is increase in the value. That become 4,651 rupees. So it is, you could say it's a 6 year. Okay, it's a recent listed company. In 6 year this company has given you could say 5.65 times your wealth has increased. How much time? 5.65 times your wealth has increased. Got the point? So beautiful company, superb result, and everything is excellent, you could see. In a very short span of time given so much of tremendous return. Now we'll go with the company's performance on a quarter on quarter basis as well as on year basis. So here we are compared with last 4 quarters. It is December 2021. We are comparing that with March 2022. We are comparing that with June 2022. We are comparing that with September 2022. So sales 4,138 crore rupees. It increased to 4,302 crore rupees. Further increased to 4,523 crore rupees. Further increased to 4,837 crore rupees. So sales is increasing on an every quarter basis. Okay, so sales is increasing, you could say, on Q basis. Sales is continuously increasing on every quarter basis. Okay, now coming to operating profit, it is of 831 crore rupees. From there it increased to 846 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 831 crore rupees, but here it increased to 912 crore rupees. So only in one quarter there was decrease in the, or contraction in the operating profit. Otherwise in the 3 quarters there is an increase in the operating profit. So we'll consider this is in a positive manner only. Coming to the profit before tax, it is of 824 crore rupees. From there it increased to 860 crore rupees. From here it decreased to 851 crore rupees, and further increased to 901 crore rupees. So there is constant growth in the profit before tax, leaving one quarter. So we will mark it in a positive manner. Come to net profit, it is of 612 crore rupees. From there it increased to 638 crore rupees. Here it decreased to 634 crore rupees, and now increased to 680 crore rupees in the next quarter. So you could say, leaving one quarter, every quarter it is increasing in its net profit. Coming to the EPS in rupees, it is 34.93. From there it increased to 36.34. From there it decreased to 36.13, and here it increased to 38.73. So EPS is also increasing, leaving one quarter. So what we find? We find that sales is increasing, operating profit is increasing, profit before tax is increasing, net profit is increasing, EPS is increasing on an every quarter basis, almost, leaving one quarter. So we'll consider this as a good result, not as a bad result. Now we'll see the performance of the company on year basis also. So here we are comparing the last 4 years of the performance of the company. Basically here we are doing the year basis performance of the company. So we are comparing March 2020 with March 2021. We are comparing March 2021 with March 2022. We are comparing March 2022 with till today month. Coming to the sales, it is of 10,879 crore rupees. From there sales increased to 12,370 crore rupees. Further increased sales to 15,669 crore rupees. Here sales increased to 17,799 crore rupees. So sales is continuously increasing on an every year basis. So that's a very big plus point. Coming to operating profit, it is of 2,029 crore rupees. From there it increased to 2,725 crore rupees. Further increased to 3,058 crore rupees, and further increase to 3,420 crore rupees. So operating profit is also increasing on an every year basis. So it is constantly increasing on an every year basis. Coming to profit before tax, it is of 2,003 crore rupees. From there it increased to 2,588 crore rupees. Further increased to 3,097 crore rupees. Further increased to 3,436 crore rupees. So every year you could say profit before tax is also increasing. Coming to net profit, it is of 1,520 crore rupees. From there it increased to 1,938 crore rupees. Further increased to 2,298 crore rupees. Further increased to 2,564 crore rupees. So on an every year basis, its net profit is also increasing. Coming to the EPS in rupees, it is of 87.30. It is increased to 110.79. Further increased to 131.04. It further increased to 146.13. So EPS is also increasing on an every year basis. So what we find over here, we find that sales is increasing every year basis, operating profit is increasing every year basis, profit before tax is increasing every year basis, net profit is increasing every year basis, and EPS is also increasing on an every year basis. So result is, you could say result is very, very excellent. We could simply say result is what? Excellent. So definitely one should buy this stock, no doubt in it. Buying this stock is not going to harm you. But if you have a time of 3 years or 4 years, okay, it might take 3 years to 4 years in order to double the money, and you could say in order to have 2 times of the wealth, you require to put your time 3 years to 5 years. Then you could see the growth of this stock, and hopefully it will give you 2 times of return in a span of 3 to 4 years. Okay, hopefully I hope your doubt is clear on this thing. Now if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thank you.